Hello, everybody. My name is Isaac Peterson. I'm 17 years old. I live in Canada, Alberta. I have 10 siblings. I'm the third oldest. I'm preparing to serve a mission. Um, I love sports. I love basically any sport with a ball. Like, I love soccer, basketball, volleyball, spike ball, you know. Um, I don't like sitting around doing nothing. I like being active and like going and just like being outside. Um, why did I take this course? I took this course because sometime in the future I want to start my own business, and I think being able to market to people or knowing how to market to people is a very useful asset to have. Um, yeah, I just think like if you're starting a business, you're going and you're trying to sell stuff to people, it's probably a really smart idea to know how to sell stuff to people. And yeah, that is why I'm taking this course.